Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a graphic world logo design. So this is very simple and fantastic and modernized colorful design. So I'm gonna talk this I start right now. So let's begin today. So first of all, I need to go to the click all the things and just keep to the counter side for clear object. So I need to just go to the dashboard and I think I need to now just select ellipse tool and put it at the counter side like that and to change the color. I need just like that or this one. I think this one okay. So go to the gradient color. I just radical gradient. Okay, it's okay done. So sorry, but I need to go to the again to the dashboard over here and go to the start tool and put over here. You see 3, but it default setting 6, but I need 3. Change the color, but I need it just the red color, and then now I just set up to the angle like that. I think like that. I need to now just set up right angle indication. That I think that's okay. So what I need to do, I go to the again like that and I go to the select ellipse tool and I think like that. Put over here. I think like that. That's okay. I think it's okay. So I click here. So I need to now just to copy like that. I think it's okay, but I need a little bit smaller like that. I think it's okay. Okay, so I need now over here like that. Little bit, little bit. I think it's okay. So what we need to do, I think, first of all, I need to now just sorry for that. Okay, I need to select this choice and put the middle side. I think it will be more better. So go to the object and expand all the things and OK. And here build a tool, cut the unnecessary all the things. Thing it okay. So it's okay. It's okay. I need to cut like there. Cut or cutting. I don't know. Like there. And it's okay. I need to cut unnecessary all the things. Like there. Okay. I think it's okay. So now just select this one and that one and that one. Now go to the over here, united all the things, and I think color should be red color, same color. Okay, so let's change color there. Okay, that's fine. It's okay. So and okay, so it's fine. Now just like a little bit bigger like that. I think it's okay. A little bit. It's okay, I think. And I need to now select this one and go to the type and really I need to go to the click all the things and go to the uh, O and enter. Hit copy. Already copy this one, but now I think it to again there. One thing is that yeah, it's done. See, it's already done, and I think it's okay. Yes, I think I just need to change the color. But over here, I think it's okay. Color no, it is okay. So you see, the same to same, no difference between that one. See, same, no difference. So I think it's articulate, and that one is much better. So that's all. Thanks for watching.